Hello everyone. Now today's class we are going to look at multiplication of numbers in base 2. In this class we are going to solve just one question why the other one number 2 will be used as an assignment. You solve it and drop your answer in the comment section. Before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's proceed to the normal class. Remember we are dealing with multiplication. This is the first number, which is 11101 in what? In base 2. Remember we are dealing with what? Multiplication of numbers in base what? In base 2. Then we have this to be 1110 in base 2. So the first thing to do is to deal with this side. We have is 0 multiplied by what? 1. We are having what? Is 0. The 0 multiplied by 0, we have what? Is 0. 0 multiplied by 1, we have is 0. 0 multiplied by 1, we have is 0. 0 multiplied by 1, we have what? Is 0. We've touched this now. Let's pick this second one. We have 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. 1 multiplied by 0, we have what? Is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. Now the next one is what? The third number, which is 1 multiplied by 1. We also have what? 1. 1 multiplied by 0, we have 0. 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. The last number, which is 1 also. 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 1 multiplied by 0, we have 0. 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have what? 1. At this point, you are going to perform addition there. Now, if you look at this, remember everything is still in this what? 2. This one will come down. You have is 0. Remember, this one is 0 plus 1. You also have what? 1. Are you getting me? So here you have is 0 plus 0 plus 1. You are going to have what? 1 as well. Here you have is 0 plus 1. That's 1 plus 0. That's 1 plus 1. That is what? 2. Remember, this is what? 2. Under addition, since you have 2 here, you are going to say how many times will 2 goes in 2. Since the addition of this one make what? 2. You are going to put the 2 here. Why the what? The base will be here. 2 in 2, we have what? 1. 2 times 1, you are going to have what? 2. Then you minus. This will give you what? Is 0. The remainder is what you are going to write here. Is 0. Now, remember you are still having 1. Now, this place is 0 plus what? 1. 1 plus 1. That's 2 plus 0. That's 1. Plus this 1 here. You have it to be what? 3. How many times will 2 goes in 3? 2 goes in 3. Remember that 3 will be here, the base will be here. How many times will 2 goes in this one? You are going to have what? 1, right? This times this will give you what? 2 minus. You are going to have this to be what? When you minus this, you are going to have what? 1. The remainder is what you write here. Here you are going to write the remainder, which is 1. Remember, you still have 1 here. Now you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus the remainder, making what? 4. Are you getting my point? That means you are going to have this to be what? 4, then what? 2. This divide, how many times will 2 goes in this one? You are going to have what? 2 rather. You are going to have what? 2. Then 2 times 2, you have what? 4 minus. Then you are going to have this to be what? Is 0. Here you are going to have is 0. Remember, you are having what? 2. Are you getting my point? Then this place now, you have what? 1, 2 plus that 2 making 4. The same thing will happen. You are going to have what? Is 0. Still remainder 2. The 2 here plus this 1, you are going to have it to be what? 3. What will happen? Back to this place, you are going to have the remainder of what? 1. Are you getting my point? Then the one that left will be written here. So the answer of this in base 2 is what? Is this in base 2.